MeghalayaPost.news.
Hakajungan si mentau Menteri Ketunat ke Kampo Yeng ke Sorkar kami Amit Shah mentah ke sengi ban si mentah ke 73rd Plenary Session ke North Eastern Council ke Balalong State Convention Center Shillong u Menteri Rengba ke Jelau Konrad ke Sangma Ulashim ke Bu ban pensengau hadu sau Tylli kimat jingdawa ki badai ke mentah ke jingdon kam ki pajba hapo ke Jela. Hagani ke jingwan u Amit Shah kum u Menteri ke Sorkar kami bapej ya Ketunat ke Kampo Yeng Konrad omtang bola pensengau ya kita kimat bakongsan bat ulai tiru da ke dorkas da ke bapenpau ya kita kimat bakongsan ki balong ka jingdon kam ki pajba hapo ka Jela. Kita kimat ki bala pensengau do Menteri Rengba bat bala ai sundon da ka dorkas sau Amit Shah ki kentup ya ka jingdawa ban penteri kamno ya ka ILP bat ka MRSSA bat penrungno ya ka ketien kasi bat garu ha ka 8 schedule ka jingdon kam ban penkalai ka 6 schedule amendment bat ya ka amendment ka Foreign Contribution Regulation Act FCRA babun ki kinhun seng ki sengukya ka ni ka amendment bayo ka ktaru ha ka Jela Meghalaya.
During the visit of the Honorable Home Minister to Shillong for the 73rd plenary session of the Northeast Council, on behalf of the government of Meghalaya, I have submitted a memorandum to the Honorable Home Minister. In the memorandum, there were 4 important points that I had mentioned. First was regarding the setting up of a proper mechanism to check illegal immigration into the state. And we have expressed our concerns on this issue and suggested to government that mechanisms like the ILP, for which we have passed a resolution, and mechanisms like the MRSSA could be mechanisms and ways and means in which we would be able to check the illegal immigration, and we have urged the government of India to look into both these demands that we have made and create a mechanism so that we are able to check the illegal immigration in the state. Number 2, we had urged the government of India to consider inclusion of Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. This again is a very important demand which we have made for a very long time, and we have passed a resolution in the Assembly. And once again today, we urge the government of India to include both Khasi and Garo in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India. The 4th issue we had raised was regarding the amendment to the 6th schedule. We are aware that there is a bill that is pending, and government of India has been consulting different state governments and different district councils. So we have urged that that amendment should be in consultation with the states, and taking the views of all the states should be pushed through so that necessary amendments can be made to the 6th schedule, which would ultimately benefit the different tribal societies in different parts of the Northeast. And the 4th issue that we had raised in our memorandum that we submitted as a government was regarding the amendments to the FCRA, where you're aware that government of India is planning to amend the FCRA, and different organizations have raised concerns about those amendments and how it could impact the work that they're doing, including the assets that are there that these different associations and organizations they have. And hence, this was again reiterated in the memorandum that we submitted, and we have received a very positive response from the government, from the Honorable Home Minister, and he has asked us to come to Delhi with a delegation and detailed of all the aspects of what amendments we would like to see or change in the FCRA Amendment Act bill. He has asked us to give it in writing. So these were the 4 points that we have submitted, and as you're aware that the government is continuously following up on all these 4 aspects, and that we are sincerely working towards ensuring that we're able to achieve our goal in being able to resolve all these 4 issues that I have mentioned in the memorandum to the Honorable Home Minister. Thank you very much.
MeghalayaPost.news.